Well, here's the shoe tree. And yeah, there's a lot of shoes up there. A lot of them have fallen down over the years where the laces rotted out. But yeah, a lot of shoes there. I could hear a lot of jets flying overhead because this is a military operating area for the fighter jets. And look at all that. We got the highway right next to us here, so it's one of the few trees around here, that's for sure. So looks like there used to be a gully here that would fill up full of water maybe, and maybe hold a little water, and the trees grew out of that because it's like a low spot in the area, and that's my idea there. So really, well, we can go down here. There's an opening here, but there's a fallen tree here, and well, there might be a pathway through here. Come up here a little bit, and now if I go under here, yeah, trees have fallen down, and I'm doing a lot of work. There goes a little lizard. There he is down there, Mr. Lizard. How you doing? There you go. He's going. Oh, look at all the shoes down the bottom that have fallen off over the years. Wow, look at them piles and piles of shoes. So I guess people have been stopping here for years and years. There's all the shoes. Look at that. Here we go. I hear some birds around here. Well, I guess the only tree in the area, the birds are going to say, well, I need a high spot. There's a contrail up there. I don't know if you can see it from one of the fast-moving jets. But yeah, down here. Nobody else around, just me. Very few cars on the road there. And all the shoes, a couple of Nikes and hiking boots. Some of them look, well, like I said, probably either people just threw them down in there, or they threw them up here and missed the tree and wound up down there, or you know, the laces gave out and rotted away. There's a lady's shoe over there, right over there. So yeah, look at that, the shoe tree. We're here. I'll put where this is, hopefully down the bottom, or in the textual description. There's information in the textual description. So this is not just eye candy. There's maybe stuff to read down at the bottom, some links or whatever, you know. So take a look at that, if you would, please. The shoe tree. Look at all those up there. More shoes are hanging. Shoes are hanging on the shoe tree. Some people got them up there. Look at that one, way out on the edge. Somebody got lucky and got that out there. Boy, look at that. And they're just moving around, swaying in the wind. Just moving there, yeah. Shoes, and wonder if this ever gets any water, if this tree sprouts out. Looks like it has some buds up there. Maybe it might get some leaves here, you know, as we get into summer and maybe get some rains out here. But there it is. So to get out of here, I gotta do some climbing. Whoop, whoop, tripping hazard there. Don't want to fall down. Got a nice little handle here to hold on if I go over this tree. Alrighty. Okay. So there it is. The little shoe tree. Coming back out. So here's my rental car. Here's someone, even on this dead tree, which maybe it's not totally dead. Maybe it's fell over, but the roots are still connected, and when it gets a little water, they're coming out here. Look at this, these little things in here coming in there. So might be some flowers are coming, maybe. But that's it. Like I said, there's the highway again. Cars going by, and the old shoe tree here. I'm going to try to, well, I can't walk backwards because it's uneven surface here. I'll I'll fall and be a road hazard then or something. But the shoe tree, look at that, the shoe tree. I don't have any old shoes. No, not here at least, to throw up there. It's a good stop here. See the shoe tree. I wonder how many, almost fell there, going backwards. Okay, let's get down the road on to our next stop. All right.